CLP leader Okram Ibobi has strongly criticized the center for summoning N. Biren Singh to Delhi and advising him to resign just before commencement of Manipur Assembly session. Speaking to media person at his official residence at Babupara, Ibobi condemned the move, stating that it was akin to humiliating the people of Manipur. He compared the center's attitude towards Manipur to treating the people of state as less than human and questioned why resignation advice was not given at least 10 to 15 days before the assembly session. He pointed out that intelligence and other sources are continuously updating the center on Manipur's political situation, but making such last-minute intervention is highly questionable. The former chief minister asserted that the current political situation in Manipur is not a constitutional crisis, but a deliberate act by the center to exercise control over the state. He clarified that the Congress will not oppose to a change in leadership within the BJP as long as it puts efforts to restore normalcy in Manipur. However, he firmly rejected the possibility of president's rule, emphasizing that the people of Manipur will not accept such imposition.
ꯑꯩꯈꯣꯏꯁꯤ ꯀꯔꯤꯁꯨ ꯎꯁꯤꯠꯇꯕ ꯀꯔꯤꯝꯇ ꯃꯤ ꯑꯣꯏꯅ ꯊꯥꯗꯕ ꯈꯟꯗꯕ ꯃꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯑꯩꯒꯤꯗꯤ ꯄꯥꯡꯗꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯃꯦꯆꯤꯌꯣꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯍꯥꯏꯒꯗ꯭ꯔꯥ ꯑꯩꯗꯤ ꯁꯤꯒꯨꯝꯕꯁꯤ ꯈꯪꯕ ꯌꯥꯝꯅ ꯋꯥꯏꯑꯦꯕ ꯐꯝ ꯀꯩꯁꯨ ꯗꯔꯀꯥꯔ ꯑꯣꯏꯗꯦ ꯃꯅꯤꯄꯨꯔꯒꯤ ꯄ꯭ꯔꯖꯥꯁꯤꯡꯗ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡꯁꯦ ꯃꯁꯤꯗꯤ ꯁꯣꯔꯤ ꯑꯥꯏ ꯀꯥꯟ ꯇꯣꯂꯔꯦꯠ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯇꯨꯡꯗꯁꯨ ꯁꯨꯃꯥꯏꯅ ꯎꯁꯤꯠꯊꯑꯣꯏꯗꯕ ꯇꯧꯔꯛꯄ ꯇꯥꯔꯒꯗꯤ ꯐꯝꯗꯤ ꯂꯥꯏꯔꯅ ꯁꯤꯗꯣꯛꯈꯤꯕꯅ ꯁꯔꯨꯛ ꯆꯥꯝꯃ ꯍꯦꯟꯅ ꯐꯩ ꯑꯗꯨ ꯃꯁꯤꯅꯤ ꯑꯩꯅ ꯍꯥꯏꯖꯅꯤꯡꯕꯁꯦ ꯁꯦꯟꯇꯔꯅ ꯌꯦꯡꯉꯤꯕ ꯃꯤꯠꯌꯦꯡ any government yengi miyeng se sida nahan laga ma region tawga same nai ngarang nahan dumdam da anok leader du wasan bi yaina adu session da dum chatha bi yaina adu tawidra da hujik pawa hanging ne thamaga ada delhi da lao mo hai sida mu tawna kari ro khoi jibo yam na phamna karamba mo da moi gi miyeng sidi laiba tiba is extremely sorry moina dom delay tawna sana thamaga yadraga bihar ta thamjala loirega ne hata sifai thajalaga hata nanghaire loirega tawpa taraga di sugumba mong se koi party gi di yeng leiba ngamoy ba koi di